Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Conduit. Here I am to introduce to you our beautiful watermelon cooler. Today is the watermelon day, is why we want to celebrate this moment with you. To do that, we want to start it with watermelon and basil, just here. Yeah. All in. To give the citrus part to the cocktail, we want to introduce a bit of lemon. To make it more interesting, our Aperitif Cocky Rosa just in front of you. Yeah. And to finalize the cocktail, to make something nice and refreshing for a summer day like today, will be champagne. A bit of bubbles. You can see the beautiful color, the pretty color just in front of you. And to finalize the cocktail, our beautiful garnish, just here. Enjoy!